Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's SoDippyy. I'm so happy to have you here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. 5 days of consistency, 25 days of consistency, 31 days of consistency. You could do 5, you can do 25, you can do 31, and then you could really do 365, but let's not drag it. So I finally caved in and just made myself a hair appointment because, look, I'm tired of not having my hair done. Even when I do my hair, I feel like my hair is not done because I be feeling like this style is only gonna last me a week or 2 max. And I'm gonna keep having to refresh it and redo it. I just want my hair done and off my plate, especially for Vlogmas. Like for Vlogmas, I can't be rocking the bun, bro. I just can't do it. So I went ahead and made me a hair appointment for the earliest I could make it, which is tomorrow at 11. So fingers crossed that I don't get no head boo text or nothing like that, because hopefully me telling y'all will make the person in the universe accountable for having my head done for the rest of Vlogmas, because I just cannot. I need my head done, period, point blank. It's been, even though it's been so ugly out, like nobody wants to do nothing in this weather. It's been so ugly out. It's raining hard. I don't even know if y'all can see me. I mean, I don't even know if y'all can hear me. It's been raining so hard. It's been just like sleet weather all week. All weekend and all week has been sleet weather. I just been vlogging through it because what else is I'm gonna do, you know? Anyway, so yeah, that's where we're about to go to the hair store. I figured I'd take y'all with me since it's Vlogmas, and you know we're supposed to be vlogging every day, seeing what everyday life is like with you. I'm assuming that's the object of the game, right? Right? So we about to just go in the hair store and see if I can find me some hair. If they got bundles for a good price, I'm gonna get them, because I had hair store bundles from this hair store before and they were actually really good, better than some bundles I got from the expensive place, because they were thick and they weren't greasy and they damn near came my hair color, which is 1, not 1B. So that was cool. If they got them again, I'm gonna get them. If not, I'm getting pack hair. I don't care because it's a quick weave and you can't reuse the bundles anyway. But yeah, anyway, I'm excited, and then I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow, and then the following day I'm gonna start working out and showing y'all the process with that, because I be watching my playback from videos and I just am not happy with my body. Like, I know I could be way finer and just more put together and more healthy than I have been. So I'm gonna start that journey because we got a trip coming up. I want to look fine, take pictures. Like, that's my thing. I like to look good. I don't like to look like, you know, I want to look good and I want to feel good. So yeah, so we're on our workout journey, and yeah, they got the door open. They know Big Mama coming. I was actually in here yesterday and I was gonna just do my own hair, save my money or whatever. My boyfriend was like, if you're gonna keep going to the hair store and buying stuff to do your hair, you could just get your hair done for the same price. And I was like, you might be onto something, because I was in here yesterday and I was like, I just don't know what I want to do to my hair. I just don't know. It was like frustrating me. I just couldn't get it right. So we're gonna get it right today, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So if y'all try Indian food, let me know, and let me know how you liked it, and let me know what you got, because I've been seeing it on TikTok. It's obviously viral on TikTok right now, and I want to try it, but I don't know where to go, where to get. So if you're in the Atlanta area and you tried it and it was good, drop it down below to the 5 people that be watching. Love the hair store. This is my guilty pleasure. Is this cute or not? Like, it would be cute without this. Oh, I should just cut that off. Imagine just without that. Here and forget what I even wanted in the first place. Like, it never fails. I do this every time. You get a whole shopping cart, yeah. Y'all better come up here and get one of these. They only $19.99. From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big. I want to risk it all and go in this place and let them do my eyebrows, but what if they doing so bad and it's like so embarrassing? What I'm gonna do to fix it then? So I think not, but I found someone to do my hair. I had said this already, but the point of the matter is I got the hair and somebody's gonna do it for less than somebody wanted to even charge for the service. Make it make sense. So I'm happy about that. Got that over with, out the way. Hair will be over with, out the way tomorrow. I'm debating if I want to do my lashes tonight or tomorrow, but I'm gonna probably just do them tonight so that in the morning I could like just do my concealer before I walk in, and then I could be like cute enough for content or whatever. So now I guess I'm about to just go home, and I think I wanted to show y'all how I Sunday reset, and I'm gonna reset and put all the Christmas stuff up. So I think I'm about to go home and do that. So I'll see y'all when we get in the house. This is what I got from the hair store. Some earrings. We can't be friends if you feel like you're too good to wear hair store earrings, because they be having that splat. We can wear Tiffany earrings, we can wear real diamond earrings, but we also wear hair store earrings too. I got some lashes because if you don't know, now you know I'm allergic to lash extensions. I keep trying to get them. I keep being allergic to them and looking like I have pink eye. And I don't know what's more embarrassing, not being able to get lash extensions or getting them and having an allergic reaction almost immediately. So I don't know. But I'm gonna rock with these right now until I figure something else out. I got a new anklet. I got some OG LA Girl Pro concealers just for some quick everyday makeup. Cause I feel like I'm recording, I want to look the best I can look. So I got some primer for the makeup. I got some lash glue for the lashes. And then this is the hair I got. I'm not taking it to her in the pack like this. I'm gonna just take the bundles out. I'm gonna take them out right now. But it's human hair, 100% unprocessed, double wefted. It's 20, 22, and 24. And for this whole 3-pack, it was only $169. So yeah, I'm gonna take that because it's a quick leave. Like I said, you can't reuse the bundles. Like, I'm gonna just, you know. Oh, the hair is really soft though. I normally have to, it don't have a bad smell either. And then this is the 22. So it's 20, 22, and 24. One thing I will say though, these bundles is kind of thin, but like, what can you expect? It's hair store hair. So I hope it's nice. Like, these is a little bit thinner than I thought they would be. So that's what I got from the hair store. And like I said, I got some more stuff. I'm trying to space out the fun vlogs and the like you know, just doing stuff vlogs. So I'm trying to space out the content. We just was out all weekend, so you know, it's Monday. I'm trying to reset, blah blah blah. So we'll get the hair done tomorrow. Yeah, we'll go from there. Well, it's a nice length though. It's a cute little length. It's just not my preferred thickness.
Asking for two. Stop making a big deal out of the little thing. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say your line. I just wanna say your line. What you heard, your line. All I'm really asking for is you. Your line. I just wanna say your line.
These small ass ornaments. What am I supposed to do with this? I hate ordering stuff off Amazon sometimes. That's going right back, because what am I going to do with them little ass ornaments? 6 mini ornament decorations. Look how small this is. Yeah, the reviews did not say that they were this small. All this shit gotta go back. And then this, I know what this is. I ordered a new mattress cover because I wanted one that was more like thick and plush and just juicy on my back. I don't know why you gave me a knife, like I know how to use it. I'm not responsible enough for this. I need a box cutter. I'm about to put this in the wash right now so I could put this on the bed. A lot more stuff from Amazon. I set the camera up and everything, thinking it was gonna be all my Christmas decorations. It's none of my Christmas decorations. I ordered way more than that, and the ones that did come is coming in damn Honey I Shrunk the Kid size. Like what? I just want to feel this to make sure it is what I thought it was, since these two wasn't what I thought they were at all. Nice and thick. So yeah, this is one success. 1 out of 3 on the success tip. So guess I'll wash this and get ready to put this on the bed. It's thick and heavy.
Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in time for her. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencil suit. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. You work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey.